to my channel, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make watermelon juice from my Nambe juicer. So stay tuned. So obviously our only ingredients is watermelon. Hello. I love to purchase a seeded watermelon versus a seedless watermelon. This is actually more in the traditional family of the watermelon. Guys, look how big this is, okay? So we're gonna get a lot of juice out of this thing. Look at that, guys. If you guys have any health benefits that you guys want to share, drop that in the comments down below, because I'm here to grow with you guys as well along my juicing journey. So this process just makes it even faster.
Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. This will help my channel out so much.
The only thing I don't like about when I'm doing this process is that I feel like I don't like to spill any watermelon. So that's the only part, and it always ends up spilling. So you don't have to do it this way. Like I said again, this is the way that I choose to do it. All right guys, so I sliced up my watermelon. This is half of a watermelon. If you're wanting to see how to actually use this juicer, please check out my other video. And I push it down as much as I can to actually squeeze as many watermelons that I can in here, okay? So now it looks like we're at the top, so let's go ahead and close it. Wait until the end of the video so I can actually show you how much juice I actually get from all of this watermelon. So, all that juice. I have my watermelon in here, and this is the second half of the watermelon. I'm gonna show you guys how to reuse your pulp. Okay, so the good way to actually determine if you can, you want to make sure that your pulp is actually very wet. So if you hear that, it sounds nasty, like that, you can reuse this, okay? But if it's dry, you do not want to reuse the pulp. Because it's wet, it'll actually go through the machine and still squeeze out a little bit more juice. All right, so now just go ahead and turn it on. Same cycle, you guys already know. Open it up. Pure watermelon juice, okay? You cannot beat that. That is it. We are completely done. So let's count how many juices we actually have here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and these are the 36-ounce mason jars. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and these are actually the 24-ounce mason jars. So, and I forgot, you guys, look, I have a little bit more left. So this is the juice that I So technically, that's 11. Cheers. You guys, make sure that you try this at home. And if you do, comment down below what you guys thought about it and share some recipes with me as well. And don't forget to check out my other video. Also, if you are starting juicing and you're a beginner to this journey, I feel like you would definitely love watermelon juicing, and you will fall in love with juicing alone and start to open your palate up. So this is actually a beginner friendly juice. I would definitely recommend to try it out and store them in your refrigerator. You can store them up to 72 hours from when you actually start to juice. As my saying goes, love yourself, believe in yourself, dedicate yourself, and send it to the universe. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.
I wish I knew.